Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Well, there's a little bit of sun getting through in Dublin, but of course the clouds are dominating the sky. It's the case across all of Middle Georgia right now. 75 degrees, no difference in the feels like temperature with a 3-mile-per-hour wind from the east-northeast. A little bit more sun in our southeastern counties right now than further north, and of course a couple showers further north just outside of our region right now. But no rain currently in Middle Georgia, but these showers and storms could push down into our northern counties before too long. So if you're in, say, Baldwin County or Jones County or Monroe County, would not leave home without the umbrella if you're going to be leaving anytime soon. Now, as you go into the afternoon, it is cooler today because of all the cloud cover. Highs are mainly in the mid-80s, and our heat indices later on today are going to be more or less in the upper 80s, couple in the low 90s. You see hot spots 91, McRae, Abbeville, Vienna. Feels like temperatures, but not too bad. Now, as we progress through the rest of the day, our rain chances are pretty isolated. We'll see a few storms here and there, but for the most part, not too much. Overnight tonight, we're going to begin to see that change. We go through the overnight hours and we start to see a little bit more organized storm activity. And then we head into tomorrow morning. And as you can see with this model, this one thinks it's going to largely hit our southern counties. But there are other model runs that are showing this massive storms still making its way straight through Middle Georgia. So just because this one says that Millersville, Sandersville, Gordon may not be getting hit out the door doesn't mean they won't. I advise everybody around the region to have your rain gear ready to rock and roll out the door tomorrow morning, because we're going to see a good amount of rain throughout the first half of the day. And then as we get into the later parts of the afternoon, we'll still begin to see a few of those isolated thunderstorms that will reorganize into more heavy rain around midnight tomorrow night, which finally begins to taper off a bit heading into Friday morning. And you see that by 8 a.m. Friday, many of us around Middle Georgia pushing over an inch of rain. Yes, some of these numbers are very low, but take that with a grain of salt. Forsyth, Roberta, Butler easily could be pushing more than half an inch. All it takes is for the rain to start up just a little bit further to the west. Overnight lows will be in the low 70s and upper 60s, pretty similar to what we've been seeing so far this week. And lastly, of course, there's a 20% chance for a tropical system to develop in the next 5 days once this mass of storms gets to the north side of the Yucatan. Coming up in 10 seconds, your 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is presented by Volume Chevrolet. Again, storms big time tomorrow. They start overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Grab that rain gear, have it ready to rock and roll so you can walk out the door without having to hesitate. Friday, again, a little bit of rain early, but it's mainly midnight and then again in the afternoon. Saturday, things a little bit nicer for us, but a number of scattered storms likely Sunday and beyond.